So it's 5 AM. We're on the road again. Just to run down to BVM Moto, drop off a couple of brand new Vertigo Trials bikes. And then down to Somerset to call in on Andy at Somerset Classic Motorcycles. We've got a bulk move to do for 17 bikes. It's one collection. It's coming into Andy's shop to be looked over, polished up, MOT'd if they need it, and put up for sale. These bikes, all classic bikes, some very desirable, and it turned out to be a little bit more of a task than we thought it was originally. A couple of CB8000s, CB1100 custom, gorgeous little collection. So originally we thought it was just going to be garage full of bikes, we could just roll them straight into the van and away we went. A dead simple job, straightforward. When we got there we realised it wasn't as straightforward. We'd got a garden that was like a football pitch, and at the bottom of it was a shed. We'll call it a barn, it's big enough. These bikes are barn finds, we'll call them barn finds. So we had to get the bikes from the barn all the way to the front of the house so we could load them across a soft, and it was getting softer throughout the day because it started out frozen. Also, another 2 bikes inside the barn that were mounted up on a shelf. They weren't easy to access, so that it took a little bit of muscle power. But we managed it. We always relish a challenge. So we got all these bikes dropped off at Somerset Classics. I'll just show you a few of these. We've got this CBX Custom. Apparently it's a VFR 750 front end. Custom exhaust, I bet they absolutely yowl. This is a group of 17, which you will have just seen us moving across. This little thing in the Rothmans colours. A big bore kit in it. It really sets that thing off. Awesome. GL Foul Goldie. It's a shame, that's a bit of brake fluid, that's the only thing that's wrong with it. Really tidy bike. A little night hawk. Somebody will have a real soft spot for that. I've got a soft spot for this. I'm not the only one who's got a soft spot for this, am I?
It's very, very nice.
It's nice. That's really trick paint. And then, Honda Fireblade Urban Tiger. You don't get many like that anymore. Really rare paintwork. By the way, all these bikes are for sale that you can see. CB404, GPZ 1100. Again, really nice nick. They have been standing for a while, so they're covered in cobwebs. But anybody who does want to buy them, they'll come in all cleaned up, running. I like this little cafe racer. That is cool. Surely somebody wants that. SomersetClassicMotorcycles.com and get in touch with Andy. He'll give you a price. I'm sure the pictures of these will all go up on the website, but these are literally hot off the press. He's just got them in. As you've just seen, we've just picked them up from the customer's house. They're selling them, or he's selling them on his behalf, and we transported them professionally as ever. Just a little bandit. Look at the paintwork on that. How amazing is that? And the other CBX. This one's a bit more original than the other. The other's been messed around with, but I believe the exhaust, the original exhausts, come with the other one. Oh, look at those exhausts. Bizarre. Everything else is for sale with our man Andy.
Definitely.
So everything you can see in here is for sale. The Cub. Oh, what's this, Andy? This is right up my street.
Little DS100.
Yeah.
Cracking little thing that is.
Yeah?
It's got loads of wheelie in it. Nice crisp on the throttle. Great fun.
Yeah?
Great fun.
I like my off-road stuff. I like that GT185. See, these are more my kind of thing. I like them ratty.
So that one has been not touched since about 83.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just needs a really good clean up. It's nice.
Yeah. But not me. I'd ride that exactly as it is because I'm a tramp.
Yeah.
Is it runner, yeah? It runs well.
Got compression, kick it over and that, and it's got compression on it, but it's,
Yeah.
It's not been run up, it's not been touched.
Right.
But still
Exactly as it
really
is. Oh, right, so it's really low miles as well.
It's got, I think, 10,000 on it or something like that.
Wow. There you go. These are all imports, aren't they? These are not trade-ins or anything.
Yeah.
Right.
This one's really cool, so
Yeah.
This one's almost all UK bikes.
Right.
But most roads got
Yeah, you did say they were all UK bikes.